Hi guys. All right, as promised, I wanted to show you guys my install. I got it installed 3 days ago, so that was on Saturday. Today is Monday. Saturday is actually 2 days ago. The hair is nice. It's holding its curl. I haven't done anything to it really since it got installed, other than just put it in my bonnet and tie the edges up and keep moving. But yeah, the hair is pretty soft. I love the length. It's not long, but it's long enough for me. As you can see, the curls still are holding their pattern. I like soft curls, so they're doing pretty good. I ended up doing a length check, and it's kind of down to the waist. If you straighten the hair out, the hair, like I said, is body wave Brazilian. I had two 22 bundles and a 20-inch bundle, and then a 20-inch closure. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I love the curl patterns. Doesn't get tangled. I think that this is something that I can rock with. I was brushing the hair earlier and it didn't come out. Of course, you're gonna see a little shedding, but literally nothing came out. Yeah, so I'm loving it. Like I said, I wanted something that was low maintenance, something that I didn't have to do a lot to. I probably won't curl it for another 2 weeks or so. Like I said, I just try to get something where I don't have to do too much to guys. I ended up going out on the town a little bit, so I ended up, putting me some clothes on and doing a little bit to my makeup, putting some earrings on, and look at the hair, guys. Gorgeous. I love it. When I say I love it, guys, I love it, and I've been getting compliments on the hair already. Once again, this is Go Naked hair in 22 and 20 inches with a 20-inch closure, body wave Brazilian. Guys, if you have not tried this hair, you should definitely give it a try. It's by Portia Williams. Go Naked hair. Thank you guys so much, and yes, I will do a 1-month follow-up because I'm planning on keeping this hair in for 2 months, guys. Pray for me. But yes, I will do a 1-month follow-up. That way you guys, I can give more information, more feedback on the hair, and all that good stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. This is Nika signing off.